Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today we've got my friend Sam's Miata, and he's got a weird vibration as he's going down the road. So first thing I wanted to do was look at the rear suspension and make sure he didn't have any broken springs or anything like that. And as you can tell, the rear struts look almost new and the springs look really good. The one on the driver's side looks great. It's not cracked or anything. Now, when we come around to the passenger side, however, it still looks good. But can you see that bow in the spring? It's all bowed out to the right side there. And that is definitely not good. There's a problem there. The spring itself looks to be in excellent condition. There's no rust. It's not fractured. It's not cracked. So what we should do is have a look on the inside of the trunk and look at the top hat or the strut mount. And we'll see what's happening up there. So we've removed the spare tire, as you can see. Now, that there is the top hat. And right away when I look at that, I can see, hopefully it's obvious to you guys too, you can see how opened up it is right in here. It's actually let go. It's not sitting flat like it should. It's actually angled. And it's definitely blown. So it needs to be replaced. I think this whole problem will be solved by putting a different top hat on that strut assembly. So if you're wondering what a top hat looks like when it's off, this is what it looks like. So that's a good one. It's dead level. Now if you look in at the very top part here, that plate right here, that gap is tight and it's even all the way around. And that's how this one should look. But as you can see, that 2 or 3 millimeter gap is big enough that you can stick a finger in there. So that's where the problem is. The rubber's torn that holds this all together, and that needs to be replaced as soon as possible. And it needs to look like that. There you go, guys. I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any weird issues with your rear springs or suspension top hats or strut mounts, whatever you want to call them, that should help you diagnose that problem. Have a great day, guys. Thank you very much.